Korean Grammar Day 5. Al Ral. Object particle. It marks the object of a verb. Al and ral is attached with a noun and usually used in a sentence which have a verb. If the last letter of your noun is consonant, then you will add al. If vowel, then you will add ral. Here are some examples.
밥을 먹어요. I eat rice. 물을 마셔요. I drink water. 책을 읽어요. I read a book. 영화를 봐요. I watch a movie. 음악을 들어요. I listen to music. 숙제를 해요. I do homework. 가방을 사요. I buy a bag. 문을 열어요. I open the door. 사진을 찍어요. I take a photo. 편지를 써요. I write a letter.
밥, rice 먹어요. eat, 물, water, 마셔요. drink, 책, book, 읽어요. read, 영화, movie, 봐요. to watch, 음악, music, 들어요. listen, 숙제, homework, 해요. do, 가방, 박, 사요. buy, 문, door, 열어요. open, 사진, photo, 찍어요. take a photo, 편지, letter, 써요. write.
For more videos, follow my channel Pen Korean.